What?
It's making that noise again.
Oh. Yep, 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 yep. So that I can see it when I'm editing.
Look, I have a third science bottle now.
Oh.
Do you think a paperclip can float? If you said no, boy do I have a surprise for you. Because that's what we're going to be doing today. For this activity, you're going to need some tissues, paper clips, a pencil, some water, and a container. I got
You
it.
think a paper clip will sink? Well, think again. I'm Jesse Ventura, and we're gonna work on science.
Okay, I got it though. So we're gonna fill our container with some water. And try to make this float. Nope, it sank. Watch this though. You'll need just a little piece of tissue paper, about half the size of a silver dollar. I used to get Susan B. Anthony dollars. This is awful. Yeah, this thing needs to be sharpened. So take your piece of tissue paper and your paper clip. Gently lay the tissue paper across the top of the water and then very gently place the paper clip on top. Use your pencil to kind of poke the tissue down into the water and watch what happens. The paper clip just stays there, sitting right on top of the surface of the water.
Okie dokie.
Let's talk about why that happened. Making a paperclip float on water is possible because of something called surface tension. What that means is that the water basically has a sort of skin on top of it where all the molecules are packed really tight and hold really tightly together. Sometimes, if conditions are just right, they can hold together tight enough to support a paperclip. So the paperclip isn't really floating per se, it's actually just being held up by the surface tension of the water. Some insects, like water striders, are small and light enough to be able to use the skin on the surface of the water to walk across it. How cool is that, right? So they'll just, quit laughing at me.
I got one of those on Animal Crossing.
Oh, a water strider?
Yeah.
Now again, this was just a demonstration. If you want to make it an experiment, you need more variables. So, things you can experiment with are the number of paper clips. Try to see how many paper clips you can make float all at the same time. And does the shape of the paper clip affect its ability to float? Does the temperature of the water affect it? What liquids have the best surface tension? See if maybe like juice or coffee or tea works. You can even try to increase the surface tension of the water. Try sprinkling a little baby powder on top. Hope you guys have as much fun with this as I did. See you next week. Bye! I did it!
Wow, that's amazing.